Good dogs. Oh my. Okay, we can get around. Good deal. Q does not like to go through the water. Good dogs. Hover, hover. Oh shit. Okay. I should have wore rain pants. On by, let's go. Get out of it. Good boy, good boy. Unless he's gonna poop. Oh my god. Lord almighty, you gotta go through it. Let's go, let's go. Hike it up, hike it up, hike it up, hike it up. Woohoo! Good dogs. Oh man, I got a wet butt ski now. Good dogs. Woo-ha! That's my hounds. Good hounds. Woohoo! Good job. Whoa, cold butt now. Get that out of your, there you go, buddy. I might have to get a shorter neckline. That's a little too long, I think. Excelente. Good boys. Good boys. Nice. Nice job. Hike up. Oh, God, another big puddle. Just don't drop me in it, guys. That's all I ask. Stay straight. On by. Stay straight. Stay straight. You got to go through it, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Hike, hike, hike. Oh, you shit. You're lucky you turned. Wow, that's huge. That is huge. Easy, guys. Ah, thanks. You go in this puddle, but you can't run through the mud puddles? Really? You dipsticks. Easy now. Man, my glasses are steaming. G. G. Yep. Go, go, go. It's okay. Stay straight. Easy. Let me get out there. All right. Whew. Go on, hike her up. No, let's go. Hike up. Come on, Deli. Hike up. Enough water. Woo! I'm officially soaked. Good boys. You're doing good, boys. Very nice. Good dogs you are.